Today we're gonna make my son's favorite traditional mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes is a big controversy in this house because I like to make fancy mashed potatoes. Garlic mashed potatoes, wasabi mashed potatoes. I've done lemon zest mashed potatoes on my website. You can check out the recipe. But my son loves traditional, plain traditional mashed potatoes. So I have here 2 pounds of potatoes, peel them, cut them, boil them, strain them, put them in a pot. Put either back in the pot or in this bowl right here. We're gonna do 1/2 cup of warm milk, butter, 4 to 6 tablespoons. I'll throw that all in there. And we're gonna mash this up. I'm doing this in the clear bowl so you guys could see it. But normally I would do it in the pot that I boiled it in because the pot's still hot and it helps you mash them as well. But potatoes in the warm milk are hot, so we're going to be able to mash this. So simple. Salt and pepper for taste. That's it. Mix this up, and this is ready to serve. There are tons of great things that you can pair this with. My son loves it with the brisket. Check out my website for this recipe and tons of recipes that you could pair this with at nikkigleckis.com.